In a world where the Atlantic and Indian Oceans collide, lies a realm of untold adventure. Welcome to Ocean Life Charters, where the ocean's secrets await. Join us on an unforgettable journey, where the mighty tuna roam and the real fish swim free. With our experienced crew and state-of-the-art equipment, you'll be hooked on the ocean's magic. From the depths of the Atlantic to the shores of Simonstown, we'll take you on a fishing adventure of a lifetime. Ocean Life Charters, Cape Town's premier fishing charter experience. Book now and get ready to experience the ocean like never before.